Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, Grass Cut Palmer. Today we're going to be having a look at going back to the hyundai machine because one of the connectors broke, so we'll be going back to replace that. So this here is what we're going to be. This is what broke off. So yeah, so I do have the replacement parts for it. I bought them on Amazon yesterday, and this is them there. I paid about £3 for them on Amazon, so yeah, the proper connectors for it, so we'll get on and get that done. Right. Pliers. Excuse me. Let me just crimp that on there, like so, and then we put that in there like that. What we'll do now is we'll go outside and see if we can get a fire, see if it'll start. I think there's petrol in it. Yes, there's petrol in it. So what we'll do now is I'll take it outside and start and see if it'll fire. Right, so what we'll do now is we'll prime it. Switch it on. As you can see, it's all up and running again now. So that was a quick, simple fix. So yeah, and I'll show you what else I've been working on. to remove this stump a few years ago for the customer, but now it's all rotten again, so I'll be able to remove it for them. So yeah, that's that now removed, and yeah, it makes the garden look a lot bigger now than what it was. So there you have it, guys, replacing a cable end on a Hyundai grass trimmer brush cutter, and a few other bits and pieces that I've done as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, whack the old bell, and it'll tell you each time I've uploaded a video. And I see some of you have not subscribed. Please consider subscribing, as it costs nothing to subscribe. And until then, I'll catch you all on the next one. Be lucky.